Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC. Traveling down this zero tolerance rabbit hole and got the ZT0640. Bam. Yeah, I had to swap them scales out. Because look at that. That is fire. And then first thing, order here of questioning. What is ZT thinking? Why would you discontinue this knife that's got the sweet Emerson look to it? What are you thinking? That's the first question here. Why would this titanium carbon fiber monster get discontinued? What are you thinking? Because this thing is sick. Great drop action. Look at that. Look at that. And that thumb disc gets it done every time. Let's hit the specs of this discontinued knife. What? Overall length, 8.5 inches. That's busted open. That's a big boy. 3 3/4 of an inch on the blade length of that CPM 20 CV clip point with a flat ground satin finish. Handle length 4.75. Carbon fiber over titanium. Got OG, they got that black and green. It's more of a yeller. But man, this carbon fiber it's a step up. 4.40 ounces of right hand or lefty. It's reversible. Carry with that frame lock. With Ernest Emerson behind the design on it. Built in the USA. All 4 fingers with plenty of room. A little jimping back here for extra traction. Up here, a little bit of jimping for the thumb. Hold you solid on just the handle. You can reach out that nice flat spot for the thumb disc. Lockup is solid. Dead nuts center. Open design with the spacers back here. And man, is that action pop. Yeah, I got this one on the secondary. Little swapping. It has come home. This one ain't going nowhere. No worse. It looks like a front flipper, but there's no jimping. You can front flip it, but you got to kind of really watch it because it don't like it. You'll just slide off of it. But you can front flip it. I was thinking maybe a little jimping to match the jimping in the titanium there. But that's later on down the road. Just really got to ask yourself, why did ZT discontinue this? Because it's a lusted after model. You throw one of these up, and folks usually snatch it pretty quick. Little milling up here. I mean, it's a good knife. It feels good in the handle, and that action on this just shows you what ZT can do. The ZT 0640. If you come across it in the secondary and you don't have one, you want to experience it for damn sure. Maybe ZT will bring it back. Can only hope. Man, is that thing just kills it. Plus I like a little thumb disc action. What do y'all think? Why did ZT, drop a comment, why would ZT discontinue this model? Should they bring it back? Yes. I would be on board. So, yeah, smash that like button. Give me the old thumbs up. Sub if you haven't done that already. And, yeah, check out the live stream on Saturday nights with the old knifeaholics. Y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe.